3 simple ways to confirm if someone has blocked you. On WhatsApp. 1. Check the message ticks. First, let's start with the most common sign. Open WhatsApp on your phone. In the Chats tab, tap the contact you want to message. Type anything in the message box and tap the send arrow. Now, look closely at the ticks. 1 tick only, message sent. 2 ticks, delivered. If your messages always stay at 1 tick and never show 2 ticks for days. 2. Check their profile photo and info. In the chat, tap the contact's name at the top. This opens their profile. Now check if the profile picture is gone, if it's only showing the default contact icon, and you can't see their about info or last seen. After that, try calling, if it is calling. These are all signs that the person might have blocked you. 3. Try adding them to a group. Open any existing WhatsApp group and tap Add Members. Now select the contact you suspect. Tap Add on the top right. If WhatsApp shows a pop-up saying, "Not added," or "You can't add this contact," then yes, that person has definitely blocked you. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick tech tips.